what's going on YouTube? So the other day, I finally had gotten the Klingon rims put on, the ALU 28s on my Saab 9.5 Aero, and heading home about 2 minutes away from the house. Then no warning, nothing. Car starts lurching. I'm looking around, I'm like, oh my god, my transmission pop out of gear? What? I don't understand what's happening. Then it was fine. 2 seconds later, starts lurching again. Press the gas. RPM start going down. I'm losing speed. All my dash lights turn on, and I realize, oh my god, my car just died. Pull off to the side of the road. Didn't have any of my tools because my trunk was full of all my rims, and oh man. Anyway, long story short, Direct Ignition Cassette just died. No check engine lights, no flashing check engine lights, nothing. Just completely died. So figured, you know what, I'm gonna end up having to replace it. So when I replace it, I'll make a video and show you guys how it goes and what's involved, and that's pretty much what this video is going to be. So here we go. Well, here we go. Time to replace the Direct Ignition Cassette. It's always a fun time. See if I can actually hold the camera here while I pull this clip out. There's a piece right here. Just gotta wiggle it out. Just slides out, and as it unlatches, moves the other piece over. Let's see what's on this side. You don't want to break any of these things, so just got to be careful here. You don't want to break this or the pipe that's underneath. This is hard plastic. I should have used a screwdriver. Yeah, actually, if you just wiggle, there we go. Just wiggle this out a little bit, then it'll actually come out. And I always squeeze the clip back in so I don't lose it. There we go. Alright, now it's just a matter of undoing these 4 bolts. And it's pretty simple, realistically. And yes, I'm doing this in the middle of the night, which is why I'm talking a bit quiet, because everyone on my street is sleeping. I'm doing this outside, and it's just starting to rain, but not as bad as it's going to rain tomorrow. So I was like, I don't have a choice but to get this done tonight, because it is an electrical connection. So, fun times. Just take these 4 bolts out. So far it's been 2 minutes and 22 seconds. I probably should have taken the other one out of the box just to speed it up a little bit, but did not do that. I'm going to throw these screws in my back pocket. Alright. Now, just a matter of lifting it out. So basically, just grab one end under here, grab this end under here, and away you go. Just like that. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And this is the inside where the spark plugs are. Yeah, a little dirty, some slight residual oil from before I got my valve cover gasket replaced. So this just basically slides in, fits over the spark plugs, and you just push down. New ones are always a really tight fit. Which I'm okay with, because it means it's a good seal around the spark plugs. Alright, and you just start throwing the bolts back in. And this is how easy it is to switch out the Direct Ignition Cassette. It's one thing I love about Saabs. So they're actually not that hard to work on. So don't let a mechanic gouge you for doing something as simple as this, because it really doesn't even take 20 minutes, not even 15, realistically. So I just showed you in real time exactly how long it takes. Nothing's been sped up. I didn't skip any parts. You know those videos. Alright, so here's how you do this. Okay, so now that that's out, you're like, wait, how did you get it out? Okay, and that screw did not actually go in properly. I'm always very careful with the threads. Alright, what's going on here? What's the deal? Why are you being like that? Oh, don't tell me the casting's off. Don't tell me the casting is slightly off. Alright, now the rain's starting to come down more. Alright, there we go. There we go. Alright, and this one. Where are we at here? 6 minutes. Almost 7 minutes. Yeah, it's not actually not a bad job at all, actually. Yeah, so if you ever get a mechanic that's like, oh, you want me to switch out your Direct Ignition Cassette? Well, it's going to be, $100 and something in labor. Yeah, you know what, just do it yourself. It's really not that difficult, as you can see. Really not difficult at all. Just go back, double check these, make sure they're tight, seated properly. Alright, seems good. Okay, let me pop this one back out. Pop that piece back out. You're not going to be able to see. Oh, let's see if I can actually. Now the trick with this is you don't want to pull it out too much, because then it won't latch properly to lock into place. Okay. Oh, come on, just pull out. Pull it a little bit. Just a little bit. Come on. Alright, hold on. I'm not going to be able to do that.
It's a good thing I'm videoing because I need the light too. Alright, there we go. Slide in and clamp it shut. And see, this is what I meant. I pulled it out a little too far, so I'll pull it back out a bit. Get this to close up slightly. There we go. No, not quite. Nope. Alright. Okay, so just tiny bit out, maybe a bit more. There we go. Okay, now it should slide in and allow me to. Nope, just missed. Okay. There we go. Okay, now it should just go in. If not, then I'll just have to use two hands. There we go. Boom. Snapped right in. Snapped right in there. Now, here comes the truth. See if she fires up. And I still have to check engine light. That's not cool. Oh boy. Man. That's not good. Well, there you go. I basically did the ignition cassette in under 10 minutes. Now I gotta figure out what's up with the engine code. Alright, so yeah, no more engine light. I just had to clear the fault code using torque with my OBD scanner. And yeah, seems like we're good to go. She's alive.